All right, imagine the possibility. You've got your sandwich, your soda, your dessert, some snack bars. All right, so here it is. This is the Nomadic Peter McKinnon 8L sling bag. This is the front, good weather resistant material. There's the bottom there. The strap, it's really pretty durable strap. Nice and comfortable padding on this. So for the exterior, this is weather and dust resistant. And the zippers also have this like little lining on them. Has this extra flap here that keeps any water that you would get splashed onto this out of the zippers, especially if you put this to the bottom. No water is going to get into the top and get your gear wet. So real durable zippers, as well as the material that they used with this. You have these attachment points here for strapping any gear that you want. You also have some here on the bottom. You could strap a tripod or your gimbal onto the exterior of the bag. On the back here, we have this like grab handle, and then you have your luggage pass through here. So you can just slip this onto your luggage. You also get this security strap here, which attaches to one of the mounting points on the bag. Then that will run up to the sling up here. It has another spot for an attachment. So this clip goes up here, it's gonna snap on here, and then that is gonna help keep the bag very secure. This bag isn't gonna swing around, flop around if you get very active. Moving around a lot, the bag isn't just gonna swing around if you didn't have the security strap on it. Now I attached the Peak Design capture clip here, so when I have my camera out, I can just attach it on here. Don't have to always be in and out of the bag, but also inside the bag, we've got this clip up here on the top. So if we need to get into the bag, zip it open, and then we have this little elastic here that will clip on here. So if we need to get into the bag, zip it open, grab our camera, we need to change batteries, grab an extra battery, change it out. You can go on shooting and close the bag up without having to zipper it up, close it up that way. And we have quick access to anything we need to grab in here. All right, now we're in the bag. You've got this nice padded main pouch here with this removable. You can adjust this divider in here. It's got Velcro, so you can move it wherever you want inside the bag to fit your camera or your lenses that you have. You get 2 of those with the bag, so you can fit multiple lenses, multiple cameras in here. Elastic pouches here on the front of that main compartment. Lens filters, ND filters, those will all fit here, or any like smaller, thinner pieces of gear. Up here in the top, you have battery compartments. These are elastic too, so you can slip your spare batteries in there. You've got 2 pouches for that. SD card slots, so any extra memory that you need to bring for your camera.
I have no memory of this place.
And then over here on this side, there is a nice zippered pouch for any smaller gear. I usually like to keep a lav mic in here, or I've actually got a camera Ellen in there, and it has this nice little fly the flag detail inside of that pouch. Zip that up. None of that little stuff is going anywhere. And on the main pouch, you don't have to worry about this losing its shape over time because it has a metal rod right along here. I've had this bag for over 2 years now, and it is still like new. This hasn't like flopped out or anything because of that little added feature. That metal rod in there is going to keep this pouch nice and sturdy for however long you have this bag. On the inside of the pouch, it's nice and felt lined, so you can move these dividers around anywhere you need to, and that nice soft smooth lining in there is going to keep your gear protected. So how many ways can we pack this 8L sling bag? How much can we fit in here for photography? How much can we fit in here for a film setup? If you're a portrait photographer, can you fit a big lens in it? All right, our first setup here is going to be for the run and gun shooter. You are a videographer. You've got the camera, the 15 to 35 or a wide angle zoom lens. This isn't a small camera. This is a Canon EOS R, and 15 to 35 isn't that small of a lens. It's a fairly hefty lens, like a 24 to 70 size lens. You could also fit one of those in this sling. Your microphone on the camera. You've got your ND filter up here in the slot in the front, and you've got, maybe you want to use wireless mics, you've got a slot for that, or any other gear over here. Spare batteries down here in this slot. So that could be like your filmmaking setup if you're a run and gun on the go type of video creator. Slip all this stuff in here and you're ready to go. Pop out your camera, hook up your mic, and you're good to go. What if you're a photographer? You need more lenses in your kit. Well, we can fit a 70 to 200 in here. We can fit a 15 to 35 or 24 to 70 if you have one of those lenses, and your camera body. Again, this is not a small camera body, so if you had a smaller camera setup with a bit smaller lenses, you could obviously fit in here much more comfortably, but I've got two very large lenses, 70 to 200, and this is just a beast of a lens that fits comfortably in here. And yes, I can close it, I can zip it up with a 70 to 200 in there, no problem. So if you're a photographer and you just need a couple lenses, maybe you have a 70 to 200, maybe you have some smaller lenses, you can fit those in here. If you're a drone photographer, you do content for real estate or stuff like that, you can fit all that setup in here. You've got the Mini 5 Pro right here. We've got the RC2. If you do have a larger controller like the RC2, you're gonna have to work around, get it to fit in here a little bit and figure out what works for you. But I've got mine standing up right here. And then over here, we've got the ND filter kit, all your NDs that you'll need. Over here on this side, we've got spare batteries as well as the battery charging dock over there on that side. So plenty of room to fit an entire drone setup in this sling. If you have an action camera setup, you could have your camera over here, you'll have your mics for the camera, you have ND filters right here for your camera. You have plenty of room here for tripods, extra cages, any mounts that you'll need for your action camera. We've got the chest mount here, lanyard, and our hat clip. Just so much room if you just use action cameras. Suction cup mount, of course, all fits in this bag. So plenty of room for an action camera setup. Or maybe you're a portrait photographer and you just have one camera, one lens. Well, we can fit a 70 to 200 or a 24 to 70 lens. 24 to 105 will fit in here just fine. And you still have room over here on the side for a flash to fit on the very end. If you have a larger camera setup like this, you'll still have room a little bit over here for your flash to fit in. Filters up here in the top, spare batteries, extra SD cards for your shoot. So all of that for portrait photography or nature photography, it all fits in this thing. Maybe you're just a travel vlogger, you want to bring your camera and your microphone and your NDs, everything, and just be ready on the go. So this sling bag will fit a lot of different options for you. But if you're wanting to film on the go, wanting to take photos on the go, and you want a smaller setup, all that fits into this 8L sling bag, no problem. Even if you don't do photography and videography, there is a ton of options. I mean, there's so many places to put snacks in this bag. Like, look at how much options you have. Protein bars, chocolate bars, like cookies, donuts. You could stack some serious donuts in here. Plus you have all this room up here if you need a napkin or something. This is a very versatile sling. It's very durable. I've owned it for over 2 years now. still get good use out of it, still get good functionality. A lot of different options I have for different gear. If I'm on different types of shoots, I have different options to set this up. So if you're looking to get one of these 8L sling bags, I'll leave a link down in the description below, but you can fit a ton of gear into just this little 8L sling bag. So you don't need something larger. You don't need a big backpack. If you're a creator on the go, someone who just wants to have the minimal kit that gets the job done, this would be the bag I would get. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.